Ito papakilala ko siya sa inyo. You know what? She's the brain behind the biggest moves. The mastermind, the strategist, the game changer. At sa larong ito, she doesn't play just to win. She rewrites the rules. In order to beat the system, she will cheat her way out. Please give a big hand to Atasha Mula! Atasha Mulak is in the house! Grabe! Oh my gosh, Atasha, grabe. This is something that I'm really proud of kasi parte ka dito and you are the face of Bad Genius. I mean, diba? You are Lynn. How does it feel right now seeing all of these people rooting for you? Diba? How does it feel right now?
Grabe, maraming salamat sa pagpunta at pagsuporta ng Bad Genius! Oh, kumasa mo kayong lahat!
Oy, grabe yun! Alright, pero I've seen you host, right? Pero pwede bang samahan mo ako mag-host this time?
Okay.
O, host tayo ngayon,
Okay,
ha?
so...
Handshake tayo, host tayo. Tayo.
Okay.
J-Tash.
J-Tash.
Hashtag J-Tash.
So, ito na na. Ito na ang plano. Today, we're gonna be playing a game. Maglalaro tayo ng game.
Yes!
Yes.
And this is called...
Hip, hip,
Hip
hooray.
With a twist.
With a twist naman.
So,
Siyempre naman.
Tash, hanap tayo ng 6 players.
Oo, hanapin natin ng 6
6 players.
contestants.
Let's go! Tash, baba tayo. Tara,
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 punta tayo.
tara. Habulin mo ako, Tash. Habulin mo ako, Tash. Habulin mo. Ayan! Alright. Tash, we need 6 players for our game.
Sige, hanapin natin ng 6.
Hanap tayo dito ng 6 players, guys. Ayan, tayo na tayo dito, Tashi. Ayan, hello! At Tasha, tulungan mo ako maghanap 6 players. We need them here on stage. Madami dyan competitive. Lisa, let's go! Hi, baby girl! There we go! Ayan, ilan na po tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ay, si Marita.
Last one! Okay na yan. Alright, let's go. Hello! Ikaw na naman! Hello! Co-host! Let's go here! Let's go, let's go, tara! Yung partner ko! Tara! Hello! Tashi? There we go! Alright! We have 6 players na maglalaro sa ating Head to Play with a Twist. Tash, you know the rules. Pinago natin to sa backstage, diba?
I-explain natin.
Actually, si Tash ang gumawa ng rules.
Okay, kesa sa Hip Hip Hooray, ito ang
Forward,
gagawin
guys.
natin.
Forward tayo. Forward. Dito tayo sa line na to. Ayan. Thank you so much. Tash, explain to us, what are the rules?
Diba sa Hip Hip Hooray ganito, Hip Hip Hooray. Pero this time, Bad Genius Edition.
Okay, paano yun? Paano yun?
So ganito, Bad Genius!
Tash, dito.
Genius!
So it's bad. Genius!
Ganon, okay.
Yes.
Try natin, practice round muna. Ready?
Practice. Ako muna. Sige. Ito na. I'll drop my script.
CJ, ito na.
Okay, bad. Genius. Okay, 3, 2. Practice na ba? Wait, genius. Alright, that's how you play it. And that's how you lose. Alright, Tash, you wanna do the first round?
Okay, ready?
Magaling to eh. Oh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Bad! Genius! Bad! Pero naging saya na lang.
Oh! Brother, thank you so much. Okay lang yan. Alright.
Okay.
Good job, Tash. I love the energy, Tash.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
Hindi mo, Tash. Sige. Sige, ako ito.
Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad!
hirap, no?
Hirap pala. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Bad, bad, bad.
Oh! Bad, bad! Okay lang yan. Thank you so much. Tash, tatlo na lang sila.
Oo, finals
Oh my
na.
gosh, finals.
Tingnan natin. Are you ready? Ready, ready? Okay, ready na sila.
Let's go!
In 3, 2, 1, bad!
Oh, okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Parang may dumudugo. Ay, sorry, sorry. Wala. Oh, wala yun, wala yun. Exit ako. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Tash.
Ready? 2, 1, bad! Genius!
Ay! Genius! Dapat ganon. Okay lang yan, baby girl. Ate Atasha is there to, to hug you. Para hindi talo. Alright, Tash, to win 2 players na lang to.
Tingnan natin. Final 2. Tingnan natin si yung pinakamatalino.
Parang hindi ka naman nakahagard. Wala nangyayari, hindi ka naman pagod.
Kasi syempre naman nandito kayong lahat.
Yeah.
Para mag-support ng Bad Genius na series.
Thank you. Alright, eto na. Alamin na natin sino mananalo. Tash.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Genius! Bad! Bad! Genius!
Oh, there we go. Okay lang yan. Hug mo si Ate Atasha mo. Oh, hug mo si Kuya Andres mo.
Ayan!
Oh, hindi ba? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay. There, congratulations! Oh, group hug tayo, group hug. Yes, 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 yes. There we go. Pero, Tash, lahat pa rin sila winners.
Yes, tama.
Oh, di ba? Thank you so much, guys. The fact that you participated with us and played with us, of course, Atasha as a host, winner tayo
At
yan.
syempre naman may prizes para
Of
sa
course,
contestant.
Tash, give it away. There we go. There we have it. Thank you so much. Lynn, ang nag-host sa inyong heaven. Pero alam mo, Tash, yung Bad Genius, it can be an official game.
Tama.
Na-trend, no? Pwede siyang magawin natin. Alright, pero group photo muna tayo, guys.
Yes.
Dash in the middle. There we go. Our beloved Lynn with the players of Bad Genius. Alright, thanks so much, guys. You can now get back to your seats. Maraming salamat. How about the picture with you guys? That's absolutely Tanza. Atasha, group photo with them. Let's go. Guys, can you all stand up? Stand up and show some appreciation for Atasha Mula. Hands up in the air. Woohoo! Say Atasha! Yes! I love the energy. Maraming salamat. Dash, first game pa lang yun. First round, you stay with me here.
Okay.
Kasi parang gusto kong magtawag ng kasama eh. Yeah, tawagin ka natin yung the rest of the cast. Let's go and Gab, Haya, and of course, Jairus! Dash, makikita natin kung competitive ka ba talaga. Kasali ka na dito, Dash. Oo.
Ay, ito na yung buong Bad Genius Squad!
Let's go! Ang cute-cute mo talaga. Let's go! The Bad Genius cast is finally here. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. The faces who will dominate Liga 1 sooner or later. Kaya naman, guys, pa-competitive ang to ah. Gabby's here, Princessa is here.
Meron.
At game to. Alright, game to. Oo nga, di ba? Fan? Okay, game to guys.
Category game ba yan?
Ha?
Category game hindi.
Hindi. Mas mahirap pa. Hindi. Hoy, si Tasha gumawa nung binabash yun. Oo. Sobrang hirap to. Hindi mo na-expect. Okay. Si Haya parang, ano ba nangyayari? Okay, guys. How many players do we need here? 6 players. Guys, 53 players kailangan nyo kumuha. 3 each. Yep. 3, 2, 4. Alright, so it's Team Jai and Tash versus High Gab. Mas maganda pala ang labanan. So it's High Gab versus Tash and Jai. Alright. Okay, so I need how many players for this game? 6 players. Ako daw, guys, dyan na lang kayo. Let me do the honors for you guys. 6 players who wants...
Kami na, para ano, hindi ka mahirapan. Tara.
Ayan. 6 players, come on! Sino? Halika dito. Sayang yung outfit mo ngayon. Gusto mo higitin ko yan? Sino pa? Come here. Hello, come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. Itong green ng hair. Hello, sama ka. Sige, pasok ka na din. Oh, okay na. Thank you so much. Kalma, mga puso. Okay. So how many players do we have here? Ayan. JP Adore. Ilan ang meron tayo dyan? Adore, Steve. Ang fresh ni Adore, no? Pag malapitan lalo.
In love eh.
Parang AI. In love ka? Okay, there we go, guys. The players for this game. Okay.
CJ, kasali ba kami?
Kasal, yes. Okay, so 5 versus 5. Okay?
Ayun natin to.
Okay, Haya. Dito ka sa unahan. Ayan, alright. You're gonna be the first in the line. Tash!
Trip to Jerusalem?
Hindi! Bring me to.
Kalamansi relay?
Ito ka, Tash. Pang Christmas party na yan, Jai. Okay, ayan. So, for this game, listen up, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, Jai, sa huli ka na. Alam mo kung bakit? Pinakamahirap dyan.
Wala?
Si Gab, sa huli ka na rin.
Let's go.
Alright. So,
I-spell yung bad genius?
hindi ganyan! Ang luma ng laro yun, ha? The reference. Alright, for this game, pabilisan ng isip at kilo. Isip at kilos. Do you get me? The brain? The mind and the movement. Okay. Dahil paunahan ito ng pagsagot. Okay. So, may ipapakita kaming flashcard. Ayan, Tash. Ayan, Kaya. Kung saan nakasulat ang tanong. Or may questions yan. Kailangan makabisado ng unang player kayo yung tanong na ipapasa. So basically, relay ito. But this time, you have to remember the question. Ipapasa mo yung question, and then yung question, pasa. So, ang challenge dito, yung tama ba yung mga tanong na makakaabot kay Gab at kay Jai? Tama. And if tama, yun yung kailangan nilang sagutin yun. Gets? Alright. So, pahirap nito, no? Pero I know you're geniuses, okay? So, kaya alam kung kaya nyo ito gawin. Alright. Wala na itong practice. Back. Game na tayo. Rekta tayo, Tash.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Kaya, ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1. Napakadaya. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, bawal tumingin. Okay, Tash, magpakita. Ayan, good job. Yes. Okay, memorize. Yes. Ayan na po. The question is being passed on player by player. Guys, pabilisan. Ito ba't ang chill nyo lang? Apaka-chill ng mga tao. Okay, yung last player, punta kayo sa akin. Faster, guys!
E-R-O-C-S. Bad genius.
Wait na! Sa akin! Lapit kayo sa akin, guys! Come on! Jai, muntik na ako dun, Jai! Wait!
Lumapit eh. Ba't mo nga sinasabi ganyan?
Sino na sa inyo? Ako.
Sorry.
Doon mo pa nga ini-spell sa likod eh.
Ang hirap naman mamili.
1-0.
Nauna si Jai. I'm sorry. Jai, halika dito. What? Best of 3 to Best of 3. Jai, what is the answer sa naipasang tanong?
Spell score backwards.
Ang sagot ay?
Spell score backwards, tama
Yes,
diba?
ano ang sagot?
Spell score.
Tama. Oo.
Score ba? E-R-O-C-S,
Oo.
tama?
Ulit?
E-R.
Ano? Ano ba?
Ang makadahya ni Gab! Ano ulit?
E-R-O-C-S.
E-R-O-C-S. Gets ko, medyo nahirapan kasi nahirapan din ako doon. Is correct! Okay. Oh. Silang kayo, pwede pa silang humabol. Because best of three.
Dapat trial lang yun, di mo sinabi na pupunta dyan.
Okay, ako dito ko ini-spell eh.
I-spell namin.
Gab, ganun talaga, on the spot changes din yung ano, yung instructions. Live hosting kasi, ganyan. Alright, so, another set of flashcards. Ang nandyan. Guys, pabilisan to, pabilisan. Alright, ready? Kaya, dash, 3, 2, 1, go, pabilisan! Ay nako, sino kayo mananalo this time? Okay, ayan. Siguro si Haya. Wala. Oh, ang bilis! Alam mo yung sagot, Tre. Nakarating sa'yo ng tama yung sagot. Yung tanong.
Malamang.
Oh, anong tanong at anong sagot?
Ang tanong, ilang bituin ang meron sa watawat ng Pilipinas?
At ang sagot ay...
Tatlo.
Tatlo! Galit na galit. That is correct! Another point for Team Dash!
Genius!
Kaya. Dapat English? Okay, sige.
How many stars?
Gab! Alam? Uy! Work na tayo!
Ganun talaga yung mga biga na tatalo sa
Okay. Wow! Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Dash at Haya, pabilisan. 3, 2, 1, go! If Team Dash wins, sila na yung panalo. Pero kapag ang Team Haya nagka-point pa, they have a chance to steal. Lahat ng iyan sa...
Manalin mo yung Tagalog.
Ano na?
Manalin yung Tagalog. Pabasa na rin kaya?
Hoy! Ang daya nito! Hoy! Ate Ella!
Sorry. Tutulungan mo sana eh. Baka nahihirapan siya eh.
Pakadaya!
Kasi baka nahihirapan si Tash. Tutulungan ko lang.
Ano yun, ano yung tanong?
Gab, hinihintay kita dito, Gab. Gab, hinihintay pa rin kita dito. Ito ba ay slow at chill na... Ha? Ano na? Dash! Ano na? Ha? Alright! Gab! Gab! Sige si Gab! Okay, si Jai pa rin talaga. Okay,
Binili ko ng square. Binuksan ko ng circle. Kinain ko ng triangle.
Oh, ano yun?
Pie. Mali?
Yes! Mali ka!
Yes, mali ako!
Yes! Thank you! Okay, mali yun. Tama yung tanong, mali yung sagot.
Ako na.
Gab, sana please go.
Pwede sagot ka lang?
Sige, go. Oh, sige, sagot ka lang. Sige, give.
Di ba sabi mo pie, pizza?
Oh,
Oh, pizza pie.
pizza.
Di ba?
Pero hindi lahat ng pie pizza.
Pizza pie.
Lahat ba ng pie pizza?
O, sana square cut.
Oh, sino kailangan? Sino nagsulat ng script? Sino nagsulat
Box
ng...
na kayo eh. Pagbigyan mo
Team
kita.
Gab! Ay, Team Hayop! Oh, 1 point for you guys. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, hindi ako nagpipizza na pabote Jew ako.
Mamilig! Oh, mamilig. Di ba palakas? Oh, guys. All...
Kahit kahit win, so
2 points for you.
panalo
and
din
1
yun.
point for you. Tingnan natin.
Pala.
1 point for you and you win. 1 more point for you and then it's a tie. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Faster, guys! Ay, madali lang to. Tulungan kita. Sinalaman ko na si Haya, kaibigan ko yan. Ha? Ano na? Wait lang! Ha? Nag-skip?
Ay, ano na ako?
Ano may jump scare? So,
Tumingin pa siya doon eh.
oh, para nag-skip to eh. Oh, anong tanong?
Saan madalas gumagamit ng calculator?
Oh, saan?
Science.
Math.
Paano yung pronunciation ng math?
Math.
With a TH?
Yeah, math.
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 Math is correct! Team Dash wins! Dami, hug mo si Haya ngayon. Hug mo siya. Ay, nakasali. Alright, here we go. Congrats. Guys, salamat sa pagsali sa amin. Thank you so much. There we go, guys. Maraming salamat. Of course, Atasha, Jairus, Gavin, Hayak. Let's have a photo opportunity with them. Guys, can you please stand up for us? SM City Tanza. Picture tayo kasama ang ating cast ng Bad Genius series.
Percy. Alam mo na, Percy.
Percy! Percy! I'd like to call in Keegan and Kyosu. I know you can hear me backstage. Please join me here. Keegan and Kyosu. There we go. One more. Give a smile. Sali ako, sali ako. There we go. Thank you so much. Wow. Maraming salamat. It's time for you guys to have posters from us. Badge. Yep. Sino gusto ng mga posters dito, guys? Official posters. Hingi ako ba? Hingi ako? Posters for all of you! Maraming salamat! I hope you guys had so much fun! Simula pa lamang ito ng mall show for the Bad Genius, the series, the adaptation. Napakahaba pa ng biyahe natin, guys. Woohoo! Flying posters everywhere! There we go. You had fun? Galing-galing nito. Alaga ako to.